Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, first let me introduce myself. My name is Hilmi Safitri. I am student in Muhammadiyah University. My student number 2020081002 and 2. In this chance, I want to make a summarize about a quick guide to selecting great informational book for young children. Children's book is becoming one of the interesting thing for the children to get knowledge or science innocently. Actually, it is a good method for student and teacher in the teaching process because as we know, we can find so many types of children's book. Sometimes it could be difficult choice for a teacher to get a right book. It means make a challenge for the teacher to answer all of the questions about reading lesson in order to get a relationship between the teacher and student in the class until the teacher can add insight and vocabularies. If both of these can be improved with wide information from the teacher, the student could be more knowledge about something. The teacher can get some information from the famous researcher such as McMath, King, and Smith. A lot of experts approve that teach with variety books be able to connect brain student to thinking about something. It's statement from Snowburn and Griffin. Several teachers are known that telling story with narrative text method is one of the best way for the student identify and remember those details about some stories. The type of good books it have a good quality and so many people which is interested in that book. There are several tips for us that if we want to find a good book. There are first is cover. The good cover is make one's attractiveness for many people. Basically, so many people will treat the book from the cover. If the cover have a good illustrate and so colorful, it's better than the books that just have black and white color. Moreover, in the children's literature, because so many children want to open the book or read some books, when she see the cover is more colorful. The example of informational book with eye-catching covers are Bad, Fish, Fails, and Big Books, created by Simons 2005. One is the topic and content. A good content is we can find the background from the researcher, acknowledgement, and source. One of the famous author in children's book is Seymour Simon, has authored about 200 quality books on wide genre, such as Superstorm in 2002. The third is illustration. The illustration is must be simple and clear. It means not one of the one page is crowned with the illustration, but we can add some text, the simple text that make the reader understand about the storyline. The color of illustration is the most important. It is white or white and black or the light color because it can make the interest contrast. And the illustration must explain about the content, and we can add some labels on the some small conversation and just make it a simple yes. The one of the famous book that is have a good illustration is the Bird Alphabet book. The fourth is organization. The good organization in the book that we can find in that book the topic, subtopic, text, and illustration. If there's no, we can find the illustration in the book, it's okay. And then in the end of the story or in the end of the book that we can find the index. One of the famous book that is have a good organization is Volcanoes, authored by Adam 2001. And the last is font size and type. For the children books, it's better that we can find the book that has a little bit big font size and with the type of the size is simple because it could be help the reader for children to understand about the storyline. The example for the book is the title Ants, Bees, and Butterfly, authored by Burger 2002, which in this book has a little bit large font and the simple types of font, and it makes the reader or the children very interested to reading. That's all my summarizing in this case. Apologize me for all of my mistakes. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.